Hey everyone, it's Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel. This is a paycheck to paycheck budget video for you all, and I'm so excited because I'm using one of my creations. If you haven't heard, I am just now opening up my own Etsy shop. It is called Budget Essentials Co. I will make sure to leave my link in the description box because I think that this is just super cute and very functional and simple. If it's your first time budgeting, or if you are, a pro at budgeting, I just think that this is very functional, and I love floral. So if this is something you like, make sure you check out my Etsy shop. I will make sure to update you guys on my whole process with my business. So very exciting news. But let's just get into this. So I'm not going to hold back. I'm just going to go right into the budget. So today's date that I am filming this is the 20th, and the amount that I am budgeting out for is going to be $574. It's a little less than normal, but that's okay. I can work with it. And for the giving section, this is my tithe. And tithe is always a 10% of what my income is, or what I'm budgeting out for. You always want to give 10% of that. And so this, I'm just going to go with 50. And that is going to be my total giving there. Oh, I'm so excited to be doing this on my design. Sorry, I'm rambling, but I'm just so super excited. And let me know if you like this angle in the comments. Just give it let me know, yes, it looks good, if you do like how everything is showing up on the video. All right, the next piece of the budget is my expenses, and I don't include tithe as an expense. This is giving. So the remainder will be all of the fixed expenses, all of those items that you want to plan out for in the future. So I can go into detail on how I do that in another video if you want to know like how I plan for next month's expenses and how I break it down paycheck to paycheck. So this one, first one I'm going to list is my mortgage. And I always set aside a specific amount because I want to be ahead with my mortgage payment. So it's $245.55. Hopefully you guys can see that. Sorry, I can't really see my screen because I'm filming from my phone, so I apologize if it's blurry or anything like that. The next item is my, it is for the truck, and $41. Car insurance, setting aside $37. My electric, I have this auto drafted from my account, and I'm done with this month's payment for my electric, which is $58.99. And then car payment, $32.50, and then I'll be done paying that for this month. Life insurance. Always want to make sure that you have life insurance, guys, because you just never know. You just never know. And you want your family to be prepared if you were to pass. We have a SunPass sticker, and I have to load that. So we are putting, it was actually, let me come back to this. I can't remember. I have to look at what the expense was for SunPass. I want to say it was $13 that I put in it. Let me see. Put it on my every dollar budget. So let me just take a peek at what that was that I put it was $13. Okay, glad I checked that. And the next item is gas, and we're setting aside $40 for that. And then cash envelopes, I'm gonna put this here. Grocery, I set aside $75, so that kind of goes hand in hand. So let me add up all of these to make sure that we are good. So hopefully, can you guys see this? Yes, you can. Okay. I don't want the brightness of this to change anything of the brightness of my screen. So let's see. Okay. So we have, why is this like that? Okay, basic, there we go. So we have 245.55 plus 41, 37, 58.99, 32.50, 17.78, 13, and 40. So the total is $485.82 for my expenses here. And then the next item, or the next category here, I want to separate for my cash envelopes. So we already have budgeted out for grocery, which is always $75 every week for me. $300 a month that we budget for groceries, and we break it up into weeks. So it's $75 if it's a 4-week month. And we have our anniversary that we are going to pay in this paycheck, which will be $20. We have a vacation coming up next week. We have family coming in town. So we want to make sure that we have some cash on hand to spend with them. And then, of course, Christmas. We are halfway through the year, which is crazy. So we have 6 more months until Christmas, guys. So you have to start planning. If you have not, you have to start planning for Christmas, because it's going to come right around the corner and it's just going to hit you in the face. And you're just going to be like, what the heck? I was not prepared. Prepare yourself. If you haven't started budgeting for Christmas, start now and just make out a plan for what you want to spend. This not only goes for Christmas, but for anything that you have going on. Spread it out, break it down, make it simple. It's not that complicated. And it's a budget thing, so you don't have to like make things too complicated. So now we're going to take our income, which was $574, minus the total expenses, which is $485.82, and the giving, which was $50. So now this is where we figure out how much we can actually break down for the budget, or for the cash envelopes. So let me grab my calculator. So we're taking the $574 income, subtracting the $485.82, and subtracting, oh my dear. Okay, I know what happened. I had money left in my paycheck, or I'm sorry, in my account, that I had to readjust some of my envelopes prior. So let me just show you guys how this adds up and what had happened. So, okay, 574 minus 485.82 minus the 50. Okay, so what's left over from this paycheck? It's 38.18. So here's what happened. this is what happens with budgeting. I, last paycheck, I had added in a few things on my budget that it actually wasn't supposed to be on that budget. So there was money left in my bank account, and that's how I was able to withdraw these funds. So it looks as if on this paycheck, like I am over or I'm minus, but I have money in my bank account to cover these items. So leave in the comments, explain please, if you want me to go into detail, but here's the thing. This particular paycheck that I had separated, like Disney, let's see, what was the other one? This electric payment, I have already paid, like I separated too much money for the electric bill, which I don't understand how I did that in my checkbook register. It was like a mess. I had to go through and I just had so much going on, but I balanced my checkbook. I am not in the negative, guys. We're just gonna go ahead and add up this so you all can see how much was left over in my bank account actually for this. So yes, I have $38.18 left over for this pay to apply to these categories, okay? So we have $75 plus 20 plus 50 plus 17. So 162. That's how much I did withdraw. So funds, let me just make a note here. Funds left in account. It was the difference. So 162 minus 38.18. I had 123.82 that I had to adjust in my bank account. So if you add everything together, it adds up to the 162. So 123.82 plus 38.18. So 162 is actually the dollar amount that I have left over. So from the prior pays that I just like messed up completely, which it happens to the best of us. Like I love budgeting, but sometimes like I may double something and forget that I have already deducted it from my checkbook register and get out of whack. So I'm trying to use one system and one system only because if I have things like every which way, it can get confusing. So I have learned not to switch up things too much. And yeah, this is much simpler for me. So hopefully I didn't confuse the heck out of you guys, but I had to work things out. So anyways, 162 is really what I have left over to break down. I'm left at a zero-based budget, which is where you want to be. So now the denominations that I withdrew was 150, or 250s actually. So 50, 70, 75 for grocery. $20 bill. Vacation was a 50. And then Christmas was 10, 15, 16, and 17. So I have 2 50s, 2 20s, 1 10, 2 5s, and 2 singles that I have. So 2 50s, 2 20s, 1 10, 2 5s, and 2 singles that I am breaking down for my envelopes. So let's just get on into stuffing my envelopes, starting with grocery, which gets the 75. And that goes in my wallet always. Get out my envelopes here. Anniversary is going to get $20. I'm going to put this here. And I'm going to fill this out in just a bit afterwards. So that gets 20. Vacation, we are going to put 50 in vacation. So, oh, hello. All right, so we'll be good for that. And then lastly, I'm stuffing my Christmas envelope, which gets the 17. So let's see where we're at with this. Let me put all this together. I might break this up for my, I'm gonna exchange some of these for my grocery. 1, 2, 3, 4, don't have enough there. 5, 10, 20. And then we have 20, 30, 40, 50. So I'm gonna take the 50 and the 20, keeping these, and the Christmas. And let me just make sure that I have 75 for grocery still. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. It's much easier to break it down this way because I do groceries every week, so it just works out best that way. And then I'm gonna put this, so it's much less cash in this sinking fund for Christmas. So I know this was a little bit confusing, but I am so sorry. I didn't realize that I did adjust a few things and I should have updated you guys, but that is everything for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this layout. I know I do. And if you do like this, then please don't forget to check out my Etsy shop and follow me on Instagram, both at naturallylizzie0922 and Budget Essential Co. I do have a separate Instagram for my business. So I'm so excited to step forward and just jump into this. It is super scary. I'm so intimidated. I have no idea what to expect, but I know that if I'm walking into this, God will bless me and He will allow me to learn from this opportunity, or this journey of mine of becoming a business owner and actually creating something that something I created. So yeah, this is like a dream of mine, and yeah, I'm just so happy that you guys are walking along with me in this journey, supporting me, all of those who have sent me messages. Thank you guys so much. It just means the world to me. So anyways, I will catch you guys on another video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys!